So there I have a 2008 236B, and I had an issue with the hydraulic, so the engine started, but the what is it, the parking brake light was on. I couldn't remove from parking brake, so this is the parking brake switch. So there is a right here, so parking brake light was on and seat belt light was flashing. So I tried to put like a bypass and the lap bar seat sensor, and no luck. So then I pull it out, the computer ECM. So as you can see here, right underneath your floor, there's two computers, AC modules, whatever you call this. So I pulled this one out, and also here on the floor it was full of like a dirt, all the garbage, so it's always fill it up. It was I mean that stuff was about to touching the computer, so water get in there. There is no way the water coming out, so the water was sitting here, staying here, so the computer cover get some moisture, so when water get inside the computer, so I pull it out, clean the connectors and everything inside the computer with a special stuff like a cleaner, connector cleaner. So clean it up, everything put together, start the machine and start working. So I try everything, I try all the sensors, but no luck. But so if you have that issue, you may know where to go, where to look. Thank you for watching. Bye.